Hey, tired of the same old dinner routine? Craving a delicious and healthy meal that's ready in minutes? Then buckle up because today Kim's husband is showing you how to make a crazy, easy 3-minute vegan sushi bowl that's packed with flavor, fresh ingredients, and zero fuss. Ready to impress your taste buds without turning on the stove? Let's dive in. Forget traditional sushi rolls. Today's star is a rice-free, customizable vegan sushi bowl that's lighter, healthier, and perfect for busy weeknights. These bowls are trending for a reason. Easy prep, endless variety, and yes, absolutely delicious. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or just want a tasty change, this bowl has your back. Start with a bed of mixed greens. Baby spinach, arugula, or even kale works wonders here. Next, pile on vibrant veggies, crunchy cucumber slices, sweet bell peppers, creamy avocado, and some shredded carrots for color and crunch. For protein, choose your fighter pan-seared tofu cubes, marinated tempeh, or even seitan if you're feeling bold. Pro tip, use fresh, high-quality ingredients that balance texture and flavor. Think crisp, creamy, crunchy. Now let's talk sauce. This is what ties the whole bowl together. Mix up a simple but killer sauce with soy sauce, a splash of rice vinegar, a dash of toasted sesame oil, and, if you're feeling spicy, a squeeze of sriracha or chili paste. Drizzle it all over your bowl for that umami punch. Here's where you get creative. Add crunchy toasted sesame seeds, a sprinkle of crushed nori or seaweed snacks, pickled ginger slices, and maybe a drizzle of vegan spicy mayo. That combo, game changer. Experiment with toppings to find your signature bowl. The fun is in the flavor combos. And just like that, your vegan sushi bowl is ready to devour. Fresh, healthy, and crazy easy. Perfect for when you want flavor but no fuss. Give this a try and tag me on socials to show off your custom sushi bowls. I want to see all your creative combos. Remember, with Kim's husband, cooking is fast, fun, and always delicious. Powered by a little AI magic and a lot of flavor love. Hit that subscribe button for more easy, quirky recipes coming your way. Fade out with upbeat music and bowl montage.